In today's video, I want to show you how to create two types of animal coloring books with completely free tools and resources. If you haven't been here before, my name is Anna and I'm here to help you create high quality, low content KDP books in the simplest way. As always, before we start, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you. Let's first review an animal coloring book on Amazon and see how much you can make with this type of book. So this book is one of the best-selling books on Amazon on this niche. It has 108 pages, costs $5.54, and the bestsellers rank is 313. So based on Amazon calculator, royalty is $1.18, and let's also head to TCK Publishing to see how many books this author is selling per month. So this book sells 4,818 books per month. If I multiply that by royalty, this author makes more than 5,000 per month, and this is just with one book. Now that you know what is the possible earning of this niche, let's go ahead and create an interior page. So the first thing we need for our coloring page is an animal picture. As you can see, for this one I use an actual image of a cat. So let's go to Pixabay and search for a cat. I'm gonna use the same one I use in our sample. You can obviously use anything you like, but it's good to know that images with simple background work best for this purpose. Once you download your image, go to photop.com and drag and drop your image into the page. Now we want to separate and remove the background from our cat. So the best way to do this is by using the object selection tool. So on Photop, right click on the van tool and select the first one and draw a box around your main object. And let software do its job. As you can see, the software did a big part of the job for us, but we still have to remove these parts. But for time being, click on Mask tool over here to isolate the selected areas. And now to remove these parts, make sure your mask layer is selected and the color panel is on black. Now choose Brush tool and draw on the parts you want to remove. If you want to include some parts like here, change the color to white and draw on your image. And by the way, one way to switch between colors quickly is by pressing X on your keyboard. Now that we have our main object isolated, make sure your actual image is selected and not your mask, and then go to Filter and then Filter Gallery, and under Sketch, click on Photocopy. You can adjust the details and darkness of the image here on the right hand, and when you're happy with your result, click on OK. Now this seems fairly good, but we can make it even better. So go to Image, Adjustment, and Levels, or hit Ctrl or Command and L on your keyboard. By dragging these three, I can adjust the details and the darkness of the image here. Once you're happy with it, click on OK, and now let's add a stroke around the image. Either double click on the layer or click on Effect here. Check off the stroke option and let's change the color to black. And change the position to center, and I'm going to set the stroke to 10 and then hit OK. Okay, now it's time to create our background pattern. So I have these patterns which I previously downloaded from Creative Fabrica, but I feel the pattern is too big for this purpose. So to fix this, I'm going to show you how to create a pattern with this image. So let's make all the layers invisible for the moment, and now go to Edit, Define New, and Pattern. Now let's make our cat visible again and go to Layer, New Fill Layer, and Pattern Fill. Now click on the pattern and choose the pattern you just created and adjust the scale as you like. Perfect. This could be one of your coloring page designs, and you can also add other elements like this text bubble just to make it more interesting. Okay, let's move on to the second design. As you can see on this one, we have an animal outline and we filled each part with a different pattern. So I downloaded this PNG image from Pixabay, and first I'm going to remove all the colors to make it an outline. To do so, go to the Magic Wand tool and click on the image, hit Shift on your keyboard and make sure you're selecting all the sections you want to remove. Now hit delete on your keyboard and this should remove all of your selected areas. Now make sure your color is on black and choose bucket tool over here and click on your outline to make it black. As you can see here, I used my paintbrush to separate each section of the body. So using your paintbrush, make close shapes and separate each part of the body from the rest of the design. For example, I'm gonna draw a line from here to here to make a close shape for the head. After you created your sections, using the same method I showed you before, fill each section with a pattern. So select your section, go to Layer, New Fill Layer, and Pattern Fill, and adjust the scale as you wish. Repeat this for every section, and at the end you should have something like this. So as you can see, we created a book with the potential of making 5,000 or more per month, and we spent 0. In the end, if you liked this video, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button, and see you all on the next video. Bye bye.